Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.8% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The oil rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
World stocks rose to a 5-week peak in choppy trading as US shares were mixed, with investors weighing disappointing earnings from US heavyweights with hopes the Federal Reserve will slow its aggressive pace of interest rate hikes. Andreessen Horowitz, A16Z, a venture capital firm known for its huge investment in crypto and blockchain, has suffered significant losses on its paper gains following the market collapse and crashing valuations of crypto firms. The Canadian dollar was little changed against its US counterpart, with the currency holding on to its recent gains as oil prices rose and data showed growth in the US economy.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The French gross domestic product will be released at 0630 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT. Australia's producer price index at 00 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US personal spending will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 0300 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.